Hang on, I see one of our members running away. There's Richard. Rich! Here's the Beard 16. I'm live to the group at the minute. Who are you live to? Or
on YouTube.
You're live on YouTube. I'm live to Woodworking UK. So, yeah, Rich is one of our members.
And
yeah, the
me.
Beard. There we go. Let's get him in there.
And my fat Billy.
That's all right. Yeah, I'll tell you what. After this weekend's pizza and beer that I've been having. Yeah. So there you go. There's the back of Richard's phone. There's the back of my phone. Have a great weekend. I'll catch you later, buddy.
See you in a bit.
So there we go. Yeah, there's a lot of YouTubers here. There's a lot of people streaming stuff. I'm going to say hello to a chap here. James, how are we doing?
I'm still having to hold on to things to keep up.
I'm live on YouTube for Woodworking UK.
Good.
How have you found the weekend?
I mean, the bits during the day have been amazing. Seeing so many people, you can't walk to the end of a road without being stopped twice.
Yeah.
Everything here is 10 times better than last year, and we've got so many different stands. And then the after party is quite fun too.
They are long after parties as well, aren't they? What time did you stop last night?
I wish I could tell you.
Excellent. We were midnight last night. We were quite good. It was 3 on the Friday night, and then midnight last night.
So on Team Fragile.
Oh, you're on Team Fragile. Oh, I see. So there's a whole. Yeah.
Apparently, Nate is running around making sure that people are aware of just how we all feel.
Excellent. Let's get you in the t-shirt. So James's YouTube channel, Malt Make.
Yeah.
There you go. So check him out on YouTube. Very good. If you're into beer, he does a very good explanation on brewing beer and an introduction, like a 20-30 minute video on your kit and the still you've got and all the process.
Two different setups there, woodworking, metalworking and everything else.
Yeah, you know, it's a good channel. You need to put out more content. Sewing as well. He's made himself a great. It was a. What they called not a vest, apron, wasn't it? A proper apron. Yeah.
One of those as well.
Yeah, so James does a lot of different. He's a proper maker, but go check out his beer one. That was mine first comment. And actually, James sent me a bit of beer in the post as well last year, which was lovely, I've got to say. So he makes a nice pint as well. He's brought some beer this year. Unfortunately, I've not been able to get my hands on any because we've been missing each other, and I'm driving later.
Yeah. Oh well, there's always next year.
There's always next year. Why? He's got the malt machine. Let's check it out.
We're hiding this back at the Multiple Products stand. So we've had a number of people who've made some handles. So we've got.
Should we go and go around the back and have a proper tour? I know that was good work. Yeah. Cheers, Gareth. I've just blagged 5% discount with Who's Nest, so for people not here, which is quite good.
This is the malt machine, as I've termed it.
The malt machine has a few little stickers and signatures.
We're getting there. So it's set up at the moment for here, but we've got some coffee coming on here.
Oh, okay. Well, you tried my coffee vodka.
I did.
Yeah,
very good.
It is good. Yeah, so that went down well yesterday. Yeah. Go on, then. I'm driving, so just a tiny sample-ish kind of mouthful that will wet my whistle, because I will be driving probably about 7 or 8 hours, so not too bad.
Yeah, so the NEC has been very good. People dropping off cups.
That's quite lively.
Bit of foam just because it's not plugged in, but I'll leave that for you.
Thank you. Sorry.
And so I've checked everything from there to here.
It's because you're plugged in.
Is it?
Yeah.
You tripped everywhere.
Well,
the electricians are scratching heads and
brothers make, because they were the ones that have set everything up. But yeah, it's a malt machine. It's
that's hoppy. That's nice.
It's good, isn't it?
That's a nice beer.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, if you're not here and you're not drinking on a Sunday.
Yeah. So
that is nice.
We've managed to get it into the Hilton bar. Managed to get it into here.
Yeah, you've been kicked out the Hilton bar, to be fair.
I did, but
it was there briefly.
Yeah, if you're going to be kicked out, you're going to be kicked out for something good.
Yeah.
I brew, I make, I do a number of things, and this is one of them. The handles. Let me show you.
Well, let's have a look. You've got a selection of different handles.
So we've got a few different things that have been made for me.
So who made each one? Can you remember?
This one I'm not quite sure. This one was Tandem Madison. These ones, so Dragon Twist. And the other twisted beer bottle opener.
Who's made those? They're phenomenal.
These are Rasmus Lowen, who also supplied some of the yeast for this beer from his grandfather's private store. And then Steve House from Tools and Tools podcast, who's over on the forge over there.
Yeah.
And they are weighty objects, but they just about fit on top. So
We've got a few more somewhere. Some of them are not really suitable
For family viewing.
family viewing.
Yeah.
Like I said, do what you want, but yeah, people took that to the limit. So
Brilliant, James. Lovely to see you again. Enjoy the rest of the show and enjoy the beer. Unfortunately, that's all I'm allowing myself to have. That is lovely beer, by the way. So yeah, check out James on YouTube, Malt Make.